What's up guys, Mitch here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I take down my knotless braids and then walk y'all through my wash day routine. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let us hop into the video. So hey you guys, starting off, I'm going to firstly cut these braids since they're super long. But first, I have to show you guys my scalp. Like, look how dirty and dry it is. Like, I have to wash my hair at this point. So step one is the braids takedown. So the first thing I'm going to do is section off my braids in two sections, and I'm going to go in with a pair of scissors to cut those braids a bit shorter so they're easier to unravel. And further along in the video, I'm going to show you guys this TikTok hack that supposedly cuts down the amount of time it takes to unravel braids. But y'all, look what happened to me with these scissors right about now. Again, and one more time. Y'all, I was so stunned. Like, look at me. I had to turn the camera off because of what just happened. I just bought these two. Anyways, so I proceeded with a new pair of scissors to cut the rest of those braids. And then after this, I'm going to show y'all the hack that I started off using that allegedly helps to cut the braid takedown time down significantly. Allegedly.
Quick, get your scissors out, cut across, don't cut your hair, get your comb out. Make sure your comb is got some nice wide teeth, but not too wide. You're gonna hold it together and comb up. You're gonna try to keep them at the same length so you get a nice even comb going through that joint. Keep combing, get them little knots at the bottom, comb it out with your hand. It's just a stitch of the braid, you don't comb out too high. Keep combing up, turn it around, hit the back, because you don't hit the back when you're combing through the front. From there, you're gonna just keep going, hit it with your hand again, go back in with the comb. Part of my video got deleted. I kind of showed y'all it was only a little left. You take it out with your hand, they'll slide right out.
So guys, that was a hack that I saw on TikTok. It was supposed to let the braid takedown process be 20 minutes because y'all know this could be hours. So I tried doing it. I started with the comb and then the brush, but ultimately nothing was working. So I had to go back to do the old-fashioned way that I am used to. So this is me taking out my braids using a rat tail comb and then using my fingers. And this whole process took me about an hour, so it didn't take too long. Now that I'm done with the takedown of one side, I'm going to go into step 2, which is to detangle my hair. So I just go in with a wide tooth comb. I section that section into 2 sections and I comb it out with a wide tooth comb. And once everything is evenly detangled, I put that away and move on to taking out the other half of braids in my head. And then I repeat the detangling process. And this is the amount of hair I lost from this side of my head that I just detangled. Now I'm just going to comb that out some more and just put it away with a hair tie and move on to the other side of my head. So now my hair is fully detangled, and y'all, look at my hair. Look how dirty it is. Look at how dirty my scalp is. Like, we are about to get this together. But this is the total amount of hair that I lost from detangling. Okay, so guys, now we're going to move into step 3, which is to shampoo and condition my hair. For shampoo and conditioner, I'm using the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. And firstly, I'm going to start off with wetting my hair. I do wash my hair in the sink, don't drag me, but I'm just going to get my hair fully saturated. This takes me a long time because I do have low porosity hair, so it definitely takes some time. But once that is done, I'm going to put one side away because I shampoo my hair in sections, and then the section that I'm going to shampoo, I'm going to get that wet again because, as I said, my hair is low porosity. So I go in with a healthy amount of shampoo and I just really get into my scalp. Like, I really scrub my scalp because it is super dirty, like super dirty, and I do get dry flakes. So once I'm done scrubbing with my fingers, I go in with a hairbrush. I don't know what this is called, but it's like a scalp massager, I should say, for your scalp. So once I am done, I go ahead and rinse that shampoo out. I rinse it out thoroughly. And then once that is done, I put that side away and do the exact same steps on the other side of my head. So now my hair is fully shampooed and it's time for conditioner. I go ahead and apply a healthy amount of conditioner all over my hair. I apply it like maybe 3 times because I do use a lot of this. And then once that is applied all over my hair, I take that same wide tooth comb and I just ensure that every strand is coated with that conditioner. So I go through it with the comb for a good maybe 5 minutes, and once that's done, I go ahead and wash that conditioner out. And y'all, these As I Am shampoo and conditioners, I love them so much. They leave my hair feeling so soft, especially the shampoo on my scalp. Oh my god, my scalp loves it. So I definitely do recommend these products. So now it's time for step 4, which is to deep condition my hair. For deep conditioner, I use the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. And you guys, I live by this. This is the best deep conditioner I've ever used in my entire life. Anyway, so my hair is dripping wet from the conditioner being washed out. That's how I like to apply my deep conditioner, to my hair being dripping wet. So I go ahead and section off my head and I just apply the deep conditioner in small sections. I get my weed from California. And once I apply it to my hair, and look at my hand just gliding through my hair. But anyways, once that is applied to my hair in the small sections, I go ahead and twist that away, and then I just repeat the process throughout my entire head. Once I'm done applying the hair mask to my head, I take a plastic bag. You can use a plastic cap if you want, but I just use it to tie my hair down so that all that moisture is soaked in, so that my hair can like absorb the product better. And I leave that in for like literally the whole day. And now it's time for step 5, which is to apply leave-in conditioner in my hair. So it's been many hours later in the day. I have already washed out the hair mask that I used prior, and I wash my hair out in those same twists because that's how I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner. So I start by unraveling the twist, and then I use the Macadamia Natural Oil Nourishing leave-in cream, and I love all the macadamia products that I use in this video. Let's just say that. So I use this as a leave-in conditioner on my hair, and this is the amount that I use. I just rub it in my hand and apply it to those sections, and look how it's just gliding through my hair. Like, I love this. My hair loves these products. Look at the curls. Yup, we love them. So then I'm gonna twist that away and again repeat that process throughout my entire head.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what to do, that's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Now, the sixth and final step, guys, is for me to moisturize my scalp. So to do this, I use my Old Faithful, the Main Choice Growth Oil, and y'all, I love this oil. Not only does it smell good, but it really does the job at moisturizing my scalp and just keeping my hair healthy. So I just put this all over my scalp. And let's not forget along that hairline, because with all the edge control that we use, our hairlines should not be neglected, okay? Now that that is done, I just put my bonnet on and go to bed. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, guys, take care.